Hey everyone, if you want to create diagrams in Miro in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to build clean and professional diagrams using Miro's tools. First, diagrams in Miro are visual representations of systems, processes, and ideas using shapes, lines, and connectors. Start by signing into your Miro account and opening your dashboard. Click on New Board to start a fresh workspace for your diagram. Miro provides ready-made templates for flowcharts, UML diagrams, and system designs. Choose one or start blank. Use shapes like rectangles, circles, diamonds, and arrows to build your diagram. Use connector lines to show relationships between different parts of your diagram. Add text labels to explain each part of your diagram clearly. Use alignment tools to keep your diagram clean and easy to understand. Invite teammates to edit, comment, and improve your diagram in real time. For better diagrams, keep designs simple, use consistent shapes, and avoid overcrowding. A common mistake is adding too many elements, which makes diagrams hard to read. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create diagrams in Miro in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.